Hi, I'm Kasbarush. In this tutorial, I show you how you can install drivers for your X Pen Star G640 and also make the right settings so that you can enjoy using your pen with your online whiteboards. The first thing to do is to go to Google and type in Star G40. Scroll down and come to www.xppen.com. Download. Click on it and it takes you to the XP Pen website where you can download the particular driver for your X Pen. So if you scroll through the page, you can see that there are some manual and quick guides to download. You can download the one for the G640. On the right side, we have software and drivers. So you scroll down and look for the particular driver for the Star G640, and we can find it here, Star G640. So we click on the download and you save. We can see that it is downloading, so we wait for the download to finish. After downloading, you double click and open the folder. Double click it to install. After the installation, the software for the X Pen appears on the desktop. Double click it to open it so that you can pick the right settings for your pen. Now when we come here, we can see that the pen pressure is straight. There is a soft point and a hard point, and the settings is in the middle. What we have to do is to increase the amount of pressure so that when you are writing on a whiteboard, it will write smoothly. So I will drag the slider down from the soft side to the hard side some more. You can also change the settings on the pen. One of the settings on the pen is that you can use it as an eraser. You can use it for right clicking. You can use it to run the program and also as a function key. But I have chosen not to use it because when you are writing on the board, sometimes your hand will click the button and then it takes you out of what you are doing. So I have disabled all the buttons on the pen to make it easy to use on the whiteboard. Okay, so with these settings, I will click OK and try the pen on a whiteboard. I have Microsoft Whiteboard to try the pen on. So what I will do is I'll start writing. Let's say if I'm teaching maths, 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, so 2x is equal to 5 minus 3. 2x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 over 2. X is equal to 1. Okay, so it is writing nicely. I can try it on another board to see how it performs on that board as well. So I'll close this board, and I have another whiteboard but known as open board. So I come to the open board and try the pen also on this board. Let's say 4x plus 2 is equal to 8. 4x equals 8 minus 2. 4x is equal to 6. Okay, so as you can see, the pen is working perfectly. It's working perfectly with the whiteboards.